Stop what you are doing for just 5 seconds. Look around you. You see your phone, the Wi-Fi router on your wall, the bank card in your pocket. But think about the invisible connections. Every time you tap, swipe, or send, data moves. Where does it actually go? Your medical records, your digital identity, and your money exist in a highly physical, heavily guarded location. They reside on hardware that is separate from your device or any app on your home screen. This physical reality is almost entirely hidden from view, creating a massive, invisible vulnerability in the way we live our daily lives. On a Monday morning, a major infrastructure failure could freeze local ATMs, block hospital access to patient records, and send stock markets dark. In 2021, a single outage took Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp offline for 6 hours. That afternoon alone resulted in a financial loss of over $60 million. Meta operates some of the most advanced systems on the planet, yet their entire digital empire remains susceptible to physical infrastructure blackouts. The stability of modern society depends on a network of buildings that most people will never see. A data center is a hyper-secure, climate-controlled fortress engineered for 24-hour operation. These facilities use biometric security and independent backup power to ensure the servers inside never stop running. There are over 11,800 operational data centers worldwide. Microsoft's largest campus covers 315 acres, operating with the infrastructure of a small city. These facilities process and deliver 2.5 quintillion bytes of data every day. When you run a Google search, data centers worldwide process the query and return results from billions of web pages in under half a second. They verify, protect, and deliver information in real time. They are the active, beating heart of the global information network. The global financial system runs on server racks inside climate-controlled buildings. Every trade and deposit passes through these facilities, processing millions of transactions per second with zero tolerance for error. Delivering the world's entertainment requires massive bandwidth. When millions of users stream video or play games simultaneously, data centers strategically route that traffic to eliminate lag. Hospitals rely on these servers for real-time intensive care monitoring, emergency dispatch networks, and instant access to radiology imaging. When a paramedic needs a blood type or a surgeon needs to view a scan, a data center failure becomes a life-threatening event. Our dependency scales from casual entertainment to critical survival, with every service riding on the exact same physical infrastructure. The AI revolution requires millions of hours of computing power inside these physical centers. Every chatbot you use was trained on this exact hardware. Amazon, Microsoft, and Google spent over $200 billion on data center infrastructure in 2024. Nvidia projects a total of $1 trillion will be spent globally to upgrade these facilities for AI workloads. Governments now classify these facilities as critical national infrastructure. A cyber attack on a data center carries the same weight as an attack on a power grid or military installation. Data centers are where global power lives. Whoever controls these physical buildings controls the future of technology and geopolitical influence. This expansion is hitting a physical limit. These facilities are placing an enormous, growing demand on the world's electrical grids. In 2024, data centers consumed approximately 415 terawatt-hours of power globally. In Ireland, a major hub for the industry, these buildings already account for over 20% of the entire country's electricity consumption. The industry is now racing to implement liquid cooling and AI-powered energy management to prevent grid failure. Over $1.8 trillion in expansion is planned through 2030, requiring a complete re-engineering of how we power our digital world. Humanity must solve a dual challenge: building the infrastructure the world needs, while finding a way to power it responsibly. Your data lives in a steel-reinforced, temperature-controlled building, humming quietly on backup power. It is a physical machine working silently in the background of your life. This machine runs the global economy, stores your health records, and powers the future of AI. It performs these tasks every second of every day without ever asking for credit. The next time a payment clears instantly or a high-resolution file loads in a blink, you'll know exactly which building to thank. The frictionless modern world is a physical illusion, powered by the most critical engineering project in human history. Is this changed how you see the technology around you?
hit the like button and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which part surprised you the most. See you in the next one.